We're making shrimp and grits today, and this is the shrimp and grits that I make when I have company coming over. We got these grits today from a miller based in Oxford, Mississippi called the Original Grit Girl. There aren't that many female millers in the country, and she's one of the very few, and she's doing some exciting things, milling grits and just steadily producing a great product all the time. I like a good spicy andouille, something that has a little smoke, a little pepper. It really adds to the creaminess of the grits. I like to use a good Gulf wild shrimp. So the shrimp we're using they're from Alabama. They're nice and plump and juicy. I've learned that grits can serve a lot of purposes and can be used in so many different ways on the table.